Right now we are in the structural testing laboratory. It's a huge testing machine. I'd like to say it is unique not only in Europe but in this part of the world. With this machine we can simulate the earthquake effect on structural elements. And within this laboratory we perform several hundreds of structural tests. And the outcome of these tests that were performed together with students from master courses and PhD courses. So the outcome was integrated in the technical regulations regarding the reduction of seismic risk.
So in this paper, basically, we've tried to evaluate and measure the seismic losses based on one hand, historic data, and on the other hand, the most recent information from the European Seismic Risk Model 2020. And based on both sources of information, Romania ranks fourth in terms of losses, both human and economic.
Recently we developed, together with the Ministry of Development, technical regulation regarding the rapid visual inspection of buildings. Right now we are working with the redrafting of the code regarding the design of the new buildings for earthquake protection, and in the near future we do hope that we will work on a revision of a technical regulation regarding the post-assessment seismic situation of the buildings after a big earthquake.
This research was performed within the UConnexus project, and it aimed at highlighting the level of seismic risk in Europe, especially in Romania, and to propose some solutions in order to have a better and a more informed population and citizen in the future. So the final ideas of the papers were that seismic design codes, which are, of course, they are developed by scientists, by experts in this field, should be more adapted to the citizen in order to have meaningful and reliable information for the citizen as well. So the proposal was that some of the information related to hazard, related to earthquake, should be translated into common language, into language which is known by ordinary citizens, and in the case of seismic risk, instead of using complicated terms, engineering terms, we should rely on inhabitable and non-inhabitable buildings as terms.
All these technical regulations are concentrated or are focused on the seismic safety of the citizen, and meanwhile our university is working to disseminate this information for the citizens, to make this information available in a very friendly format for the citizens in order to increase the seismic awareness of the citizens in Romania and not only.
Seismic design codes are basically the most important elements when we speak about seismic risk and seismic hazard. They are important for both new buildings and for existing buildings because they are used as reference for existing buildings. They are used as basis for the design of new buildings.